This stew is highly nutritious and it's an all-purpose vegetable stew. So let's get into the video to see how I made it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. So today, as you can see, we are going to make some vegetable stew, and of course I'm going to list the ingredients. We have some blended pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and I have my tomato paste. I have some seasoned fish here. I have my chopped tomatoes, that's fresh tomatoes. I have some curry powder, nutmeg, and some cubes. You can use any cube of your choice. I have some carrots, some red onions, and some green pepper. So these are the ingredients we will need. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use beef, chicken, whichever meat that you want to use. And guys, as usual, let's get into the video.
So first you are going to put some amount of your chopped red onions into the oil and allow it to cook for some time before you pour in your blended pepper and onions, garlic, and ginger. And after pouring it in, you allow it to cook until the water or the moisture in it drains before adding your tomato paste. And guys, this really smells good. And whilst it's cooking, you have to do some constant stirring to avoid it sticking into the saucepan or burning. So after mixing the tomato paste, you're going to allow it to cook for some time and then add fresh tomatoes to it and mix it together and allow it to continue cooking. Here I added some smoked salmon to it. I forgot to mention it in the ingredients. This smoked salmon makes the stew really smell good and it gives it some great natural taste. And now I'm going to pour my seasoned fish into the stew. Since it's already cooked and seasoned, yeah, I'll pour it into the stew and mix it together. The mixing should be done slowly to avoid tearing of the fish or breaking of the fish into the stew. And now I can go ahead and add my vegetables. I mean my carrots, red onions, and my green pepper to the stew. And this is the part I love so much, because this thing has brought some beauty to the stew and it looks very yummy. And now, after allowing it to cook for some time, we can add our spices. I mean the nutmeg, curry powder, and the cubes to it. And wow, you can go ahead and add some salt to taste. But the reason why you have to first add your spices before your salt is to control the taste, because you can't mess up your stew like that. So now you add some salt and you taste. If there's the need to add more, you do so. If it's okay, you allow the stew to simmer. And wow, this thing right here, I can't wait to eat it already. You can actually use this stew to eat jam, rice, kinky, whatever that you want to eat with. And now the moisture in it is draining. The oil is settling on top finally, and the stew is almost ready. Now everybody, please bring your rice and let's enjoy. Now our nutritious and tasty vegetable stew is ready. I'm going to serve myself with some rice. And guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope you try this recipe. Well, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. See you on another video.